Hello guys, are you looking for the best LG gaming monitor? Here we find LG best gaming monitor. LG 32GQ950 Ultra Gear UHD Nano IPS gaming monitor. With 1 ms response time, 144Hz refresh rate, NVIDIA G synchronized compatible and AMD free synchronized Premium Pro. HDMI 2.1. Screen size is 32, display resolution is maximum 3840 by 2160. Special features are height adjustment, adaptive synchronized pivot adjustment, and tilt adjustment. Refresh rate 144Hz. 32 inches UHD 4K next generation 9 IPS experience flawless imagery on the gaming design monitor in USA IPS 1 ms reimagined Arifin with vivid response IPS 144Hz refresh rate experience fosters smoother gameplay regardless of game genre with 144Hz refresh rate. Wiser display HDR 1000 with DCI P3 98%. NVIDIA G synchronized compatible gets the game officially validated by NVIDIA as G synchronized compatible. That translates to faster, smoother gaming that's been tested to reduce screen tearing and stutter. AMD Free Synchronized Premium Pro. AMD Free Synchronized Premium is built in AMD Free Synchronized. Premium equips serious gamers with fluid virtually tear-free gaming experience with at least 120Hz refresh rate at minimum FHD resolution and low latency gameplay. You will never miss a frame of the action as you play at peak performance. Three-sided virtually borderless design. Stay immersed on the action with a virtually borderless screen on three-sided that keeps you focused in the game. Enhanced gaming GUI choose gamers FPS or RTS mode to adjust and optimize settings for a customized experience.